Today I'm going to show you how to export all of your email contacts along with their information to an organized spreadsheet using Export Emails to Excel, CSV, or Google Sheets. This automatically updated list of contacts is an excellent solution for small businesses to build an email list and to monitor interactions with customers and suppliers. Your organized spreadsheet will include your contact's email address, name, bio, location, personal website, the date, time, and link to your last sent email and whether you're awaiting a reply, the date, time, and link to the last email your contact sent and whether they're awaiting a reply, number of emails sent and received, how many times the links in your email were clicked by your recipient, how many times your email was opened, your contact's company name, their role at the company, their company's website, and their public social profile information. Here's how to do it with just a few clicks. First, I'm going to install the Export Emails to Excel, CSV, or Google Sheets extension from the Google Chrome Web Store. Next, I'm going to navigate to my inbox and click the Start Export to Google Sheets button found here. This will open up your wizard options. I'll scroll down to the third wizard to extract all email addresses and click the Start Wizard button here. My Export Email Contacts to Google Sheets job has started and will run in the background. I can click here to monitor the progress of my initial export at any time. When it's finished exporting, I'll get an email from cloudHQ letting me know. I can click this button to open my new spreadsheet. Now I have a spreadsheet list of every person I've ever contacted by email. My spreadsheet will automatically be updated in real time as new emails or new contacts come into my inbox, so I'll always have full visibility of each business relationship in an organized report whenever I need it. And with this email information readily available, I can even build an email list so that I can send a mass email campaign to all of my contacts at once. In fact, you can easily do that with another one of our services called MailKing. Visit mailking.io to learn more. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.